Hello my students, how are you? Please we will explain from students book lesson number 4 unit 3 the circle. First we must know the circle is a set of points of the plane that are at fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane, like this. M is the center of the circle and we call this the radius. B is diameter. Diameter twice of the radius. Diameter is a line segment passing through the center of the circle and drawing between any two points in the circle. We know also the diameter is the longest chord in the triangle, and the diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Example number 1, you can draw a circle by using compass. Having compass like this 2 centimeter, find the length of radius and then draw by using compass. We can explain circumference of circle equal 2 by r or pi times the circumference of circle. The ratio between circumference and diameter equal pi. Pi equals 3.1403 and 1406. Self-evaluation number 2 is example number 2. We can find circumference of circle by write pi times d, 2 pi times r. I will solve self-evaluation number 2. Look here, first question, find circumference with diameter 25 centimeter feet, 25 feet, and by 3.4. Okay, we know circumference equal. He give me here in this example diameter. In circumference equal pi times d. Pi times diameter. Pi was 3.14 product by 25. You can use calculator, write 3.14 times 25. The result will be 78.5 feet. Okay, this is question number 1. Question number 2, find in terms by circumference of circle with radius 12 centimeters. Circumference equal 2 by r. 2 by r. The radius was 12. 2 times 12, 24. 24 by centimeter. Circumference 2 by r. Okay. Self-evaluation number 3. Okay, question number 3. You must read this question number 3 example solution. Okay. Read this question. It's important. Question number 3, self-evaluation. I will solve self-evaluation number 3. Look here. The diameter length of car wall is 70 centimeter. We have diameter length car wall. Car wall here, the diameter was 70 centimeter. What is the circumference of the wall? We can find circumference equal pi times d. Pi was, we can write 3.14 or 22 over 7. Reduct by 70. The result will be 220. 22 over 7 times 70 equal 220 centimeter. We can convert to meter by divided by 100. It will be 2 and 2 tenths meter. Circumference of the wall of the car. Okay, in the wall makes one complete revolution. How far distance the car travel? Okay, how far does the car travel at 2.2 meter? And how many revolution does the wall need to cover the distance 2.2 kilometer? Okay, he asked about how many revolution. We can find the revolution about rotation with the wall. We can find the long distance dividing the circumference of one rotation. Okay, then the number of rotation, we can find the long distance 2.2 kilometer, convert from kilometer to meter product by 1000 divided by the one rotation, the long of one rotation 2.2 meter. Then the number we can write here product by 1000 because this kilometer 2.2 from This number he give me 2.2 kilometer. I product by 1000 divided by 2.2. Okay, it's long 2.2 kilometer product by 1000 divided 2.2. The result will be 1000 rotation. Then the number of revolution it will be 1000 revolution. Okay, the number of revolutions will be 1000. So to find the number of revolutions, you must find the long distance. The long distance will be 2.2 kilometer divided by one rotation. One rotation, the length of one rotation will be circumference. If you open this circle and write, it will be give you like this. Okay, convert from circle, open this circumference, it's meaning one rotation. One rotation, then 2.2 kilometer divided by the length of one rotation, 2.2 meters. The length will be 1000 revolution. Next question. Practice here. We can find the area equal by r power 2. The area of circle by r power 2. R is the radius of the circle. Example number 3, you can read it, okay? Number 4, okay, number 4. I will solve with you number 4, solve evolution number 1. Number 1, find in turn by the area of circle whose radius 5 centimeters. The area equal by r power 2. By product by radius power 2, it will be 25. In the result will be 5 by square centimeter. This is question number 2. Question number 1. Question number 2. Using by k, the calculator finds the area of a circle whose diameter is 19 inches and the ruined result to the nearest distances. First step, you can find the radius. He give me the diameter here was 19 inches. The radius will be 19 divided by 2, it will be 9.8, 9.5. Then he won't find the area. Find the area circle. Then the area equal by r power 2 by product by radius power 2. Radius here 9.5. You can use calculator and k by from your calculator. This k open like here, shift and this button spy. Okay, product by 9.5 by 2. The result will be here 2 83 200 83 and 50 206. We want approximate to the distances. 2 can give 1 to 5. Then we have 283 and 5 tenths. The range will be by square centimeter, square inches, square inches, square inches. This is self-evolution number 4. Next question. Example number 5. You can read this question. Okay. He give you the area and won't find circumference. And question number 5 here, he won't find the area, give you circumference. Question number 5, we have circumference equal 2 by r. He give me circumference equal 20 by. 20 by equal 2 by r. We can cancel by, then r equal 20 divided by 2 equal 10. Then the radius will be 10 centimeters. Then we can find the area now equal by r power 2. By product by 10 power 2, 100. And the result will be 100 product by square centimeter. Understood? You can write 100 times 3.14. Move the point right hand side by 2 places. The result will be 314 square centimeter. Next question. Number 6. We have 3 forces of circle. You can read this example here. You want to find the area in parameters. The area equals 3 over 4 times pi r power 2. Circumference equal 3 fourths circumference plus 2r, 7 plus 7. We have the difference between together. Okay. Next question here, left hand side, self-evaluation, number 6. We have a circular function with the center M, radius length 4m. Its radius to make circular path around from tiles with weight 2 meter. What is the area of the path term of pi? Okay, we can find area 1, area 2, and then find the difference between together. We have two circles here. Look at here. This circle out and inside circle. He gave me the center was M. Okay. We have radius was 4 meters. The radius of circular function it will be 4. The radius will be 4 meter, and it's required to make circular path. Around it from tiles with a weight 2 meter. We can find the area of path in term, the difference between two another, area 1 and area 2. Okay, we have area 1, area 2, and then find the difference between together. Area 1, the radius 1 will be 4 plus 2 equals 6, and radius 2, small here, equal 2 centimeter or 4. He gave me 4 meter, about small 4 meter, and here 2 meter. Again, circular function with center M, radius 4 meter. This 4 meter, the length here 4 meter. You can see it's greater than. Look at here is about the draw this 4 meter and here 2. Then radius 1 will be 6 and radius 2 will be 4 meter. We can find area 1 and area 2 and find the difference between together. Area 1 equal by r power 2, and area 2 right here by radius power 2 36. The result will be 36 pi. And area 2 4 power 2 equals 16 pi square meter. Then the area of path term of pi. Okay, then the area of path, we can find the difference between two areas, 36 pi subtract by 16 pi. The result will be 20 pi. The difference will be 20 pi square meter. Understood? Complete with me. Unit assessment. Measuring conception, understanding. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, a circle whose radius length 4 cm. What is the diameter? Diameter 4 times 2 equal 8. Then diameter will be 8 cm. Choose letter C. Number 2, in a circle, what is the value of C over D? We know circumference equal by product by D. Then, if we divided C by D, give me pi. C over D equal pi. Understood? Next question, number 3. What is the circumference of circle whose diameter length 12 cm? We know the circumference of the circle equal pi times D, diameter times pi. The diameter here was 12, then we can write 12 by centimeter. What is the area of circle whose radius 10 centimeter? We can find the area. The area of circle equal by r power 2. Radius was 10 power 2, it will be 100. Then we have 100 pi square meter. 100 pi. Choose letter D. Next question. Choose the correct answer. What is the radius length of a circle whose circumference 13 pi? We want to find the radius. We know circumference equal to pi product by r. Circumference 13 pi product by here. You can cancel. Then the radius will be 13 divided by 2. It will be 6.5 centimeter. Choose letter B. Number 6. What is the diameter? Number 6. What is the diameter length of a circle whose area is 36 pi? Okay, we know the area of circle equal pi r power 2. Area equal pi r power 2. He gave me the area was 36 pi equal pi r power 2. We can cancel pi by pi, then r equals square root of 36 equal 6 centimeter or 6 inches. 6 inches. In the result, radius, but he won't find diameter. The diameter will be 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 inches. Letter B. Choose letter B. The answer letter B. He won't find the diameter, not the radius. Next question, number 7. The area of two circles are 64 pi and 100 pi. What is the ratio between their circumference? Okay, first we can find radius 1 and radius 2. The circumference 1 to circumference 2 equal radius 1 over radius 2. Then you won't find radius 1 and radius 2. We have area was pi r power 2 equals 64 r power 2. 64 pi. Okay, pay attention. He gave me area 1 equal 64 pi. We can cancel pi by pi. Then the radius equal square root of 64 equal 8. Then radius 1 equal 8. And area 2 was pi r power 2. By product by 100. He gave me area 2 100 pi. Okay, 100 pi. You can cancel pi by pi, then radius square root of 100, it will be 10. We have radius 2 and then radius 1. Then the ratio between two circumference equal radius 1 over radius 2 because circumference equal 2 by r. We can cancel 2 pi by 2 pi. Then radius 1 over radius 2, 8 over 10. 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. The result will be 4 over 5. Next question. What is the circumference of circle? Or the circumference of circle equal 10 pi. He won't find the area. First, circumference equal 2 pi r. You can cancel pi by pi, then the radius will be 10 divided by 2 equal 5 centimeter. Now we can find the area. The area equal pi r power 2. R 5. 5 power 2 is 25. Then we have 25 pi square centimeter. 25 pi square centimeter. It shows letter E. Next question, number 9. In each of the following draw circles. Then calculate circumference and the area. We can draw by using compass. Okay, the radius was 3 centimeter. Draw circle by the compass and radius was 3 centimeters. We can find the area by r power 2. By was 3.14. Product by 3 power 2 is 9. You can use calculator to find 3.14 times 9. The result will be 28 and 26 square centimeter, and circumference equal 2 by r. 2 product by 3.14 by the radius. The radius was 3. Right, 2 times 3.14 times 3. The result will be 18 and 84 centimeter. Question number 1. Number 2, he gave me diameter was 7 centimeter. You can find the radius about question number 2. Radius equal 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this radius. And then we can find area by r power 2 by 3.14 product by r power 2. The radius will be 3.5 power 2. Use calculator, write 14. 3.14 times by 3.5 power 2. The result will be 38 and 465 thousandths square centimeter, and circumference equal 2 by r. 2 product by 3.14 product by radius was 3.5. Right, 2 times 3.14 times 3.5 equal 21 and 98 centimeter. Next question, number 10. The circumference of circle equal 18 and 8400 centimeter. Find the radius and the length, radius, length, and its area. Okay, here question number 10. Give me circumference. We know circumference equal 2 by r. 2 by r equal 18 and 84 centimeter. We can find the radius equal 18 and 84 over 2 pi. Because they give me here circumference, I want to find the radius. We can use a calculator here, right? 18 and 84 over 2 product by 3.14. The result will be 3 centimeter is the radius. Then we can find the area is by r power 2 by product by radius power 2 by equals 3. C power 2 is 9. Then the result will be 9 by 9 product by 3.14. 9 product by 3.14. The result will be 28 and 26 hundredths square centimeter. This is question number 10. Okay, number 11. Area of circle. Question 11. He give me the area of the circle is 78.5 square feet. We know the area equal by r power 2. We can find r power 2 by write 78.5 divided by pi. Pi was 3.14. You can write here 3.14. I use a calculator. Write 78.5 divided by 3.14. The result will be 25. Then the radius will be square root of 25. It will be 5 feet. Okay, now we can find circumference. Circumference equal 2 by r. 2 product by 3.14 by the radius will be 5. 2 times 5, 10. 10 by 3.14 hundredths to 3.31 and 4 tenths. And right here feet. We have area square feet and here feet. Circumference feet. Next question. Look at here. The given figure circumference of circle is 75 and 36 hundredths. Look at here. We have circle and inside it is a circle. Square inside it. Look at here. We can draw like this. Is the radius about the radius here? Part radius. Then the diameter of circle, it will be the hypotenuse in a square. Here give me circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, we can find the radius from circumference of circle. We have circumference equal 2 by r. Here give me circumference was 75 and 36 hundredths. 75 and 36 hundredths equal to product by pi. Pi was 3.14 hundredths. The radius equal 75 and 36 hundredths over 2 product by 3 and 14 hundredths. You can write 75 and 36 hundredths divided by 2 product by 3 and 14 hundredths. Then the radius will be 12 centimeter. We found here the radius now of a circle. Then he won't find the area of square. Okay, look at here. This line segment will be 12. Then the diameter of the square equal 12 plus 12. It will be 24 centimeter. We won't find the area of square. The area of square equal half diameter power 2. You know this rule? This rule we used it to find the area of square. The area of square half d power 2. Diameter power 2, or if we have side we can write side by side, but this line segment, we called it the radius. Then radius will be diameter. The diameter in circle, it's the same diameter in square. Then half product by diameter power 2, 12 power 2. Then 12 power 2 divided by 2, the result will be 72 square centimeter. Then the result will be 72 square centimeter. Then the answer will be 72 square centimeter. Okay, you must pay attention about this question, it's important. Okay, next question. In each of the following, find the perimeter and the area of the colored part. Okay, look, in this example we can find the area and the perimeter. Look at here, we have half circle here and right angle triangle. In the area equal, the area of area 1 here, about this half of circle, we must find the length first from Pythagoras theorem. We have 25 centimeter and here 24 centimeter. We can find the length from Pythagoras theorem. First we can find EB. EB equal 25 power 2 plus 24 power 2. The result will be a square root of answer. It will be 34. No, find the difference. Again, 25 power 2 subtract by 24 power 2, because this side length of right angle triangle, and then find the square root of answer. It will be 7 centimeter. Then EB equals 7 centimeter from Pythagoras theorem. Then we can find here area 1. Area 1 here about half by r power 2, and area 2, area of triangle, half base times height. The area of triangle, half times base times corresponding height 7. Then area 1 and area 2, and then collect together. Right here, half product by pi was 22 over 7, product by radius power 2. We have AB 7 centimeters, in the radius half of 7, 3.5, because this diameter, AB is diameter in this circle. Then we can write 1 over 2 product by 22 over 7 product by radius power 2. The radius will be 3.5 power 2. The result will be 19 and 4/6 square centimeter. It's area 1. And what about area 2? Half of 12 for 24 is 12. 12 times 7. 2 times 7 equal 14. 4 and the carry up 1. 1 times 7, 7, and it equal 84 square centimeter. Then the area will be area 1 and area 2. We can collect 19 and 25 plus 84 plus 84. The result will be, area will be 103 and 2500 square centimeter. This is the area about this figure. We want to find circumference. Look, circumference will be equal the curve EB. Look at here. Now I will find circumference about question here number 1. I solve now question number 1, found the area, and then find circumference. Circumference, it will be half of 2 by r, half of pi times d, or 2 by r. This curve half times 2 by r, plus this line segment, plus this line segment, plus line segment here 25, plus this line segment was 24. Don't do that, because circumference outlier sides. Then half cancel. The result will be by equal 22 over 7. Product by the radius was 7. No, radius will be 3.5. The radius was 3.5. Okay, do you remember? I found up here the radius was 3.5. Okay, half times 2 pi r circumference. This curve, half of circumference of circle, plus 25 plus 24. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 2, 4. We can simplify this 22 over 7 product by 3.5 plus 49. The result will be 60. Then circumference will be 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Next question. we have two circles. We want to find the area of colored part. We can write area 1 and area 2 and then find the difference between together to find this. So area 1, the radius of area 1, it will be 3.5, and radius of area 2, it will be 3.5 plus 3.5, it will be 7 centimeter. Then we have radius 1 and radius 2, and then find the area between 1 and 2, find the difference. It's about what? About area. Then we have area 1 by r power 2. Pi was 22 over 7, product by radius power 2, 3.5 over 2. Right, 22 over 7, product by, complete with me, 22 over 7, product by 3.5 power 2. The result will be 83.5 square centimeters. This area 1. Now we can find area 2 about circle number 2. Area 2 equal by r power 2. 22 over 7, radius here 7. Radius about the greatest circle 7. 7 power 2. And the result will be 7 times 22, 154 square centimeter. Then the area of shaded part, this we can find the difference. 154 subtracted by 38.5. 154 subtracted by the difference, the result will be 115.5 square centimeter. Now we can find circumference. How we can find circumference? Circumference, look at here, about this curve and this part and this curve. Look, the circumference cancels this part. I will find this part here with 7. Circumference will be 7. Understood? Plus this curve, it will be circumference of the first or the greatest 2 circumference. This half of circle, it will be half. This, look, this curve, half of circle, half of circumference of circle, half times 2 pi r. And circumference about this part equal half times 2 by r. We have r1 and r2. Okay, you know the steps. I explained from 1 minute to find the radius 1 and radius 2. Radius 1 and radius 2. Radius 1 3.5 and radius 2 was 7. And 7 this part 7. Then circumference equals 7 plus cancel. Then we have 22 over 7 product by 3.5 cancel, and then we have 22 over 7 product by radius 2 was 7. Then 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 1 times 22 and 3.5 and 7. 7 divided by 3.5 equal 2. 3.5 divided by 3.5 1. 22 divided by 2 11 plus 7. The circumference equal 7 plus 11 18. 18 plus 22 is 40. The circumference will be 40 centimeter. Okay. Last question about drawing here. Look at here. He give me rectangle inside it part colored. This part colored, I want to find the area and circumference. Okay, if you combine two parts, we have force of circles and force of circles. In the part here, area of this part get area of circle and the area of rectangle, and then find the difference, because this part is the force of circle. This force of circle. Force of circle, and this part also force of circle. Force plus force, it will be half. Then the area of colored part, we can find area of rectangle and area of half circle, and then find difference. If we cancel this part and this part, it's meaning cancel half of circle. Then to find the area of colored part here, to find area of colored part, you must find area of rectangle and area of what? Area of half of circle, and then find the difference between together. But how find the area? Look, we have two congruent. He give me congruent. This 7 centimeters, this 7 centimeter, and this line segment 16. Then 16 plus 7 equal 23. Then the length about rectangle, we have 23 centimeter, and here 7. We have 23 and 7. Then the area of rectangle equal 23 times 7, 3 times 7, 21, write 1 and carry up 2, 2 times 3, 14, 14 plus 2 equals 16. The result will be 161 square centimeter. It's the area of rectangle. Okay, the area of rectangle equal 161 square centimeter. And area 2, we have here half circle. We write half by r power 2. By was 22 over 7. Product by radius power 2. The radius was 7. Okay, the radius of circle 7. 7 power 2. We can write 22 divided by 2, 11, and 7 power 2 divided by 7 equals 7. 7 times 11, 77 square centimeter. This area, 77 square centimeter, about area of half of circle. This part and this part, half of circle. And then we can find the area of shaded part. Find the difference between area 1, 161, the area of rectangle, length times width. We have 7 plus 16, 23. 23 product by the width here 7. 7 times 23. 7 times 23, it will be 161. Okay, then we can find the difference. 161 subtract by 77. 161 subtract by 77. The result will be 84 square centimeter. The area will be for 84 square centimeter. It's area of shaded part. Now I will find circumference. How we can find circumference about colored part? Listen, we can eat this part 16. Listen, this part 16 and this part 16. Write 16 plus 16 to find circumference, and this curve plus this curve. This curve force of circle, and this curve force of circle. Force plus force, it will be half area of circle. Understood? This again, this curve force and this force of circle plus force of circle will be half by r power 2. Then circumference equals 32 plus half product by 22 over 7 product by radius power 2. The radius of circle here, this circle, the radius was 7 centimeter. Okay, again we have 16 plus 16 plus this curve and this curve, force and force, half product by r power 2, because this curve and this curve give me half of circle. Circumference of circle, it will be half by r power 2. We can simplest here, divided by 2, 1. Half of, 2 by r. This not area, we found circumference. This curve and this curve, half of circle. The circumference of circle equal 2 by r. We can cancel 2 by 2 and then by 22 over 7 product by radius. Again, my students, this circumference, half circumference of circle. This curve, half circumference of circle, not half the area. Half the area about last question. Now we can cancel 7 plus 7, then say 32 plus 22. 3 plus 2, 5, and 2 plus 2, 4. Then circumference will be 54 centimeter, about the colored part. Next question, calculate to the nearest tenses. You won't find what the question down. Okay, look at the question down here. Area of the clock. The area equal by r power 2. Look at here. He give me the diameter was 22. Then the radius will be 11. Then we can write by product by will be 3.14. Product by radius will be 11 power 2. Then we can find the area. He won't find here the area of clock. That's question number 1. Write it by using calculator. 3 by 14 product by 11 power 2. The result will be 379 and 94 hundredths square centimeter. This is question number 1. Question number 2, find circumference of circle. Okay, we can find circumference. First, the radius or diameter. We can use diameter, okay? Don't worry. Use diameter. Diameter 2.5 centimeters. This circumference equal by product by d. By was 3.14. Product by diameter would be 2.5. Right, 3.14 product by 2.5. The result will be 7.85 centimeter. This is question number 2. Question number 3. You want to find the area of food. The area of food. How we can find the area of food here? We have rectangle down and up half of circle. Up and small circle. Small circle here. Like this. And the wood colored. We can find the area of rectangle and the area of greater half. We have here half circle and area of circle cancel from the total area. Look at here, area 1, the area of rectangle equal product between two dimension 8 times 6.5 the area of rectangle plus area about the long circle. We have 4 feet, okay, plus area this half of circle by half by r power 2, and then subtract by area of circle. Small circle here, he give me the diameter 6, then the radius will be 3. The radius here will be 3 centimeter. Small radius 3 centimeter. Then we can write half by r power 2. This r number 2 and this r number 1. R number 1 4 and r number 2 was 3 centimeter. Okay, then we can write 6.5 times 8 equal what? 5 times 8 equal 40. 0 and the carry of 4. 6 times 8 48 plus 4 52. Write the point. The result will be 52. Half product by I will put by now. Okay, never mind. As the last, put the result in calculator. Radius 1 power 2, 4 power 2 equals 16. Subtract by half product by radius 2 power 2, 3 power 2 is 9. Then the area will be equal half of 16, 8. Then we have 52 plus 8 by subtract by half of by 4.5 by. Then you can find the answer by using a calculator. Not circle. This circle here, this circle, not half. This circle, but this half circle. Again, we can cancel the area of this circle. Subtract by power 2. 9 by. Then 52 subtract by 8 by subtract by 9 by. The result will be, we can write 52 again, 52 plus 8 by minus 9 by. 9 by. The result will be 48 and 8 tenths. 48 and 8 tenths square feet. Square feet. Okay, understood? We found here area 1 but rectangle and the area of half of circle, it together, and then subtract the area of circle here to find the answer. Question number 15, the core. Amal put circular rag like this. Its diameter was 2 meters. What is the area of the rag to the nearest square meter? And the cost, give me the square meter of rag, 150 pounds. Okay, we can find the area equal by r power 2. By was, we can write 3.14. Product by radius power 2. Give me the diameter 12 it will be 1 power 2. Diameter 2 divided by 2 1. then the result will be 3.14 meter square. This is the total cost. We can write 3 and 14 hundredths product by 150. You can use calculator, write 3.14 times 150. The result will be 471 pounds. Next question. Sport. Razan's bicycle contains two small balance wheels fixed in the rear wall to prevent it from falling. If the front and near walls of bicycle are congruent, the diameter lengths of each 42 centimeter. We have 42 centimeter and the back 14 centimeter. There is a difference between the number of revolutions that the balance wheel rotates and the number of revolutions that the front wheel rotates respectively. Okay. If you tell me this information, we have two walls here, first and second. We can find circumference 1 and circumference 2, and then find the rotation, revolution 1 and revolution 2, find the difference between together. About the distance, 66 meter. Then about the greatest wall and the smallest, we can find circumference about 1. Circumference 1 about the front wall, we can write the circumference by product by D. By was 22 over 7 product by 42. 42 divided by 7, 6. 6 times 22. The result will be 132 centimeter. It's circumference 1. Then the number of rotation, if the bicycle rotate 66, give me covered distance was 60 meter. The long distance, the distance was 66 meter. To find the number of rotation about the front bicycle, you can find circumference 66 divided by 66 meter divided by 132 meter. Convert from meter to centimeter, product by 100. Then 6,600 divided by 132. The result will be 50. In the number of rotation about first wall here, the result will be in calculator 50 rotation or 50 revolution. The number of revolution 1, it will be 50 revolution. And what about small wall here, circumference number 2 equal by product by D. He give me diameter 14. Then we have 22 over 7 times 14. 14 divided by 72, 2 times 22 is 44. 44 centimeter. Then the number of rotation or revolution number 2 about the second bicycle, we can write 66 meter divided by circumference 2. Right, 66 meter product by 100. Convert from meter to centimeter and then divided by 44. 44 here, it's circumference about the small wall. Then using calculator, write 6,600 divided by 44. The result will be 150 revolution. He won't find the difference between the number of two revolution. Then the difference will be equal 150 subtract by 50. 150 subtract by 50 equal 100 revolution. This is the number revolution. The difference, it will be 100 revolution. Okay. Next question. Creative thinking. In the given figure, the side length of square is 6 centimeter. Calculate the area of colored region. Okay, listen to me. Look at the colored region. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you collect together or rotate, it will take like this circle. Colored part, we can move this part or replace it. You can replace the colored part, the colored part. So to find the area of colored region, thus we can find area of rectangle, area of square, and area of circle, and then find the difference. Why? Because if we replace, look at here this part, look at this part down here, I will replace this part and put here, and this part here up. Look, this part put here, replaced. You can put three parts together, like this part and also this part behind it, and going here this part like this, and this part here, okay, like this, colored. You can rotate it to find this part colored. If you replaced the place of each one, you can find this shape. He give me the side length of square 6, line 6 centimeter. Then the radius will be 3 centimeter, because the diameter of circle it will be the side length of square. Then to find area 1 by r power 2, area of circle by r power 2, the radius was 3, the 3 power 2 9 by square centimeter, and the area 2, area of square 6 by 6, side by side. 6 times 6 is 66 square centimeter. Then you won't find the area of colored part. In the area of colored part, find the difference between 36 and 9 by, and then convert, or the answer approximated to the nearest what? The nearest tenses. Let's 6 subtract by 9 by. The result will be 7.72, and then we can approximate it to the nearest tenses. 7.7 square centimeter. Okay, it's last question, my students. You must study hard. Okay, goodbye.